Lennox Reelz, finger mark, snapper fishing. Let's go, boys. Let's get it. Let's get this video. Alright, so I hooked this nice finger mark snapper. This is my second catch for the day. He's a good finger mark snapper. Caught him off the bridge here at my local river. And this is local river fishing, finger mark snapper edition. Let's go. This hook was straight down his jaws, bros, right in between his gills and all the way down his throat. I had no option but killed him, put him in the dream. Alright, so this fella's coming home with me as alongside the legal one. Home to cook up later this night. I caught a big bream for my dad to eat with me. All around a really good night of fishing, and I caught the bream after the camera died, after this short little video I have here for you guys on this YouTube channel. Finger mark snapper fishing. Two nice snappers alongside a big bream I caught when the camera died. Also cooked the 3 fish for dinner. The finger mark snappers are really good tasting. Give this video a like or comment and click on the subscribe button below. Next up on YouTuber Lennox Reelz. Give this video a like, comment and subscribe. Be sure to check out my other content and I hope you enjoyed. Let's go, boys.